Now one more type of question, that if perimeter of triangle is given, perimeter means sum of all three sides, and both the base angles are given, then how we construct such a triangle? You have to see and you have to perform all the steps with me as I am trying to explain you, as I am trying to feed you. What is the question? That is, construct a triangle XYZ. Triangle is XYZ, maybe ABC, PQR, leveling is XYZ, in which angle Y 30, angle Z 90, and XY plus YZ plus ZX, that is perimeter, is how much? 11 centimeter. The first step is, whatsoever is the perimeter is given, draw a baseline equal to the length of the perimeter. So take the pencil, take the scale, draw any line whose length, suppose this is point, you can say P, this point is Q, do not take XY or the points whatsoever given, and length is 11 centimeter. First step, PQ, any line segment of the length equal to the perimeter. Angles are given 30 and 90. So whatsoever angles are given, draw these angles at the end points. Suppose here I have drawn angle of 30 degree, and here I have drawn an angle of how much? 90 degree, because I can say, suppose this is R, this point is S. Now actually I will bisect these angles. We will draw the bisector of this 30 degrees angle like this. Draw the bisector. Suppose this is PM, bisector of the 30 degree angle. What was given? 30 degree. So now if I say, if I ask you how much is this angle, you will say it is 15 degree, because entire angle QPR was taken 30 degree as given. What we have done, actually we have to bisect the angle what is given of one vertex, of one base angle. Now 90 degree is the another base angle, so again we have to draw the bisector of the second. The bisector of this also will be drawn. Steps of drawing the bisector you know very well. This is the bisector, so this angle will be how much? 45 degree. Because angle PQS is 90, so its bisector like this. What steps we follow? Need not to tell you again and again. Where these two bisectors meet, write down X, vertex X, and now draw the perpendicular bisector of PX. Wherever the line segments perpendicular bisector of PX meets our PQ, write down Y. Similarly, draw the right bisector of XQ. Wherever this right bisector is meeting, suppose this point is Z, join X to Y and Z. I can darken this triangle XYZ. This is our required triangle. With this angle will be 30 degree, this angle will be 90 degree, and sum of the sides XY plus YZ plus XZ will be 11 centimeter. First I am writing the steps, then I will explain you the logic. Steps in brief I am writing here. You can just observe what are the steps to be written. First step, draw PQ, how much? 11 centimeter, that is to be noted. Draw first a line segment equal in length, how much? Equal to the perimeter. Second step, what is the second step? The second step for the construction is, draw angle QPR. Angle QPR is how much? 30 degree, and angle PQS as 90 degree. That is, on these end points of that line segment which is equal to the perimeter, draw the angles of measure base angles as given. Third step, draw bisectors of base angles, that is QPR, angle QPR and angle PQS. What are the bisectors? They are PM and QN respectively. They meet, these bisectors meet at a point X. These bisectors meet at which point? At X. Then what is the fourth step? Draw perpendicular bisector of PX. Draw perpendicular bisector of PX. Suppose this is what? L. Draw perpendicular bisector PX. That is, you can say draw perpendicular bisector of PX, say L, which meet PQ at Y. Fifth step, similarly you can draw the perpendicular bisector of which line bisector? That is QN. Now draw perpendicular bisector of QX which meet this your side PQ at Z. Draw perpendicular bisector of QX which meet PQ at Z. Sixth, join X to Y and Z. Join X to Y and Z. And the last you can say that is triangle XYZ is required triangle. What I did, I am repeating. PQ 11 centimeter, then small angle of 30 degree, 90 degree, bisectors of these angles meeting at X, right bisector, perpendicular bisector of PX and perpendicular bisector of QX. These bisectors are meeting at Y and Z. Join X and X to Y and X to Z. XYZ is a required triangle. You can say YP is equal to YX. What is the reason for this? Because if I take this point as K, triangle YKX, because I am writing here, because triangle YKX is congruent to triangle YKP because of SAS condition, and these are the corresponding parts CP/CT. So you can say this YP is equals to YX. Similarly, you can take that YZ is equals to YQ. Similarly, you can say that ZX, you can say ZX is equals to ZQ. ZX will be equal to ZQ because if I take this point as T, then you can say triangle ZTX is congruent to ZTQ, and by CP/CT you will conclude that this ZX is equal to ZQ. As sum of PY plus YZ plus what? ZQ, sum of all these is 11. So in place of PY I can say XY, in place of PY is XY, in place of YZ is YZ, in place of ZQ is ZX. ZX is equals to 11. Hence XY plus YZ plus ZX become 11. So perimeter of this triangle become 11. One thing is clear. Next, this angle is 90 because this is exterior angle and this is the sum of this angle and this angle. This is 45 this is 45 because of the congruency, so this angle is 90, this 15, this angle is 15, so exterior angle property of triangle, this angle will be 30. So this triangle XYZ is satisfying all the conditions which were required. Base angles are 30 and 90 and perimeter is 11 centimeter. I am giving you one more question which is really a brain buster. You can solve, and solution you can just share with us. How to construct a right isosceles triangle if sum of base and hypotenuse is 6 centimeter. I am repeating, how to construct a right isosceles triangle, that is one angle is 90 if the base and hypotenuse sum is given, suppose 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, you can take 7 centimeter. If you can note without calculation, if you can observe, then you are welcome to give the solution of such constructions, or you can share your other doubts and difficulties of the topic related construction at any moment of time here.